presenting you all the cool new Glanza. I request you all to please come ahead. Please come ahead so that we can start the demonstration. So if you look at the vehicle is very aerodynamically designed, and the cool new Glanza is having a completely designed new front. So if I talk about the changes, you can get a auto LED headlamp over here along with nice chrome throughout, and you also get an LED fog lamp. Now the combination will be giving you a very good visibility even if you drive it in any weather condition. The chrome grille is also very nice, which is adding to the luxury on the vehicle. If you look at the bumper, it is also newly designed and it is having nice carbon fiber finish, which again adds to a lot of sportiness to the car. So if I talk about the engine which is used in this vehicle is the recently developed dual VVT and dual jet engine, which is designed to give a very good performance. And when I talk about performance, the power is 90 PS in this vehicle along with 130 Newton meter of torque. With such a power pack performance, the vehicle is also very fuel efficient with 22.3 kilometers per liter mileage claimed for the manual transmission and 22.9 kilometers per liter mileage claimed for the automatic transmission. The vehicle gets two transmission, manual and automatic both. The warranty is fantastic in this vehicle with a standard warranty of 3 years or 1 lakh kilometers, which can be extended up to 5 years or 2,20,000 kilometers, which is again the best in industry. With such a good warranty cover, the vehicle is very good to own it for a longer period of time with utmost peace of mind. Now coming to the service, again all the Toyota services is just on your fingertip with the latest Toyota's iConnect application. Coming to the side profile of the vehicle is very sportily done. If you see, it is having a floating roof along with spoiler, again adds to lots and lots of sportiness to the vehicle. The newly designed precision cut alloy wheels are dual tone, which is 16 inch, and it is again giving a very sporty road presence to the car. If you look at the side also, the chrome is nicely used, which is extended up to the C pillar, and the chrome door handles is adding lots and lots of luxury on the vehicle. Talking about the interior, like the exterior, the interior is also very premium and upmarket. When I talk about premium and upmarket, it is having a dual tone combination of beige and black, and very nice colors are used throughout the cabin. When I say nice colors, it is having nice ivory finish along with piano black finish, which is making the vehicle very much appealing and upmarket. Again, when you sit on the seats also, they are nicely cushioned throughout, which is giving you a very comfortable seating position. And it is coming with industry's first in this segment, the 360-degree camera. The 360-degree camera is again helping you to have a bird eye view of the car, which helps you to park it even at difficult situation. The vehicle is also getting a very nice HUD heads-up display. Whenever you are driving the vehicle, without taking your eyesight from the road, you get all the information on your eyesight, which is again adding to the safety as well as sporty performance of your vehicle. It also gets everything in safety. It is having 6 airbags, which is again very good, which is giving you a complete safety shield throughout the cabin. It gets a very good reinforced body, which is TECT, Total Effective Control Technology. The technology helps the passengers to remain safe even in case of an impact. The impact is absorbed outside the body itself, and hence the passengers are safe inside the body. The vehicle is also getting new features like hill start assist control and vehicle stability control, which complements ABS and EBD, hence improving the braking distance. You can drive the vehicle without skidding, and it also reduces the braking distance. So with all these safety features, your Glanza is very good for all your family to be driven it for long distances also. Coming to the rear profile, like the front, rear is also very beautiful. There is a nice chrome garnish which is flowing throughout the rear. The newly designed tail lamp with the LED lamps, again it is adding a lot of sportiness, road presence and premium appeal to the cool new Glanza. So hope you all like the vehicle. I request you all to please come ahead and experience the vehicle firsthand. Thank you so much.